We're up super early this morning, guys. Day 4. It's about 7 a.m. right now. And gonna go get some coffee. We have a lot planned today. We're gonna go to Avila and Segovia and do some tourist stuff, check out the cathedrals and the walled fort cities, and hopefully it'll be a good one. I'm just gonna pack up some of the camera equipment here, and then we'll go ahead and set out and go catch the bus. You know when you guys get adventurous and go on vacation and then have no idea where the hell you are? That's me right now. I'm trying to find that bus and the address, and I don't even know if I'm going in the right direction, but hopefully we'll figure it out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's so cold this morning. A little breathing frost off my mouth. It's been raining here in Madrid on and off every other day. And this morning it is friggin' cold, yo. I think I've underpacked. I go buy some warm clothes later. So we'll see what's up. For now, just kind of winging it. Hopefully it won't be as cold in Avila or Segovia, but we'll see. Alright guys, I think that was the wrong freaking address. So we're gonna try the other address, which is about 4 blocks away. Hopefully that's the right address this time. Alright guys, made it to the city of Avila. This place is magnificent. It's considered Europe's oldest standing fortress. Alright, that's the end of the Avila tour. We're gonna head over to Segovia, so we're gonna head on to that next. Remember to like and subscribe. Here in Segovia, there's this cool little building right here. I want to show you guys real quick. So this castle here is actually the inspiration for the Disney castle. Yeah, see, I can definitely see the resemblance. grand scheme of things, it's a cool city. I would definitely spend the whole entire day here in Segovia if I had the chance to, especially if you're an architecture fanatic. You know, you like architecture. This is like the perfect spot to come here for it. So yeah, if you're into architecture, make sure you check out Segovia. Best place for architecture in Spain so far that I've seen. That's going to be it for this episode. Hope you guys join me in the next one.